Welcome everybody to my new YouTube channel, which is called Abby Dolly World. So my name is Abby Dallas. I'm a singer slash reggae slash dancehall artist, fashionista, and I felt the need to separate, some other things that I love to do apart from music on this page on YouTube, to just come over here and just create a different page for doing my hair. It's all about beauty, it's all about empowering women and just showing how the dolls them can get cute on a budget, and also the doll way, the island spice way. Okay, so feel free to leave your comments, make suggestions. Remember, this is a new channel, and I hope to build with my new YouTube channel and all the audience and all my fans, right? So I will be sharing some tutorials of me doing my hair, because I think that personally, like me, I realized that I had this talent of doing my own hair. Like, it's so therapeutic to be one with yourself and just do your hair like this. I did this like a couple weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago. So it's a fresh, but yeah, I'll do it. And all in all, I think that as women, like, big up all of the hairdressers because I'm not like hats off to you guys. But at some point in time, a girl needs to know how to do her hair to, like, help herself here and there. Put on toothpaste on, do your ear, glue on your ear, your wig, and all of them something there. Yeah, we all have to do that at some point. I will not forget the hairdresser then, because listen guys, I go to the hairdresser too, but sometimes like spending that alone time with yourself, beautifying yourself and just doing you, and say, okay, this is what I want. Sometimes they don't know if it's gonna come out good, but a trial and error, guys, trial and error. But when it come out and you realize that you did that, like, it's the most, it's the best feeling that you could ever feel. And seeing yourself and going on the road and people complimenting you, like, I like having that vibe. So I made this channel for all my fans, all my new fans, to come on here and see what else I do apart from music in my spare time. And in my fun time, just doing my hair, just being a girly girl, the Dolly way. So welcome everybody to Abby Dolly World. Mwah. I do hope you enjoy.